And welcome to another video. Today we are playing Subway Surfers. Yeah, this is a very fun game. I want you guys to try this game. Whoever views this, please leave a like. And I would love for some more subscribers. Thank you. So let's get right to this. So yeah, I'm going to try to complete collecting the 15,000 coins. Let's see how long it takes me. Okay. So yeah. Oh my gosh, that lag. I used to be good, but yeah. So yeah, let's go for this. I'm pretty sure the week is gonna end in this game pretty soon. There we go. Yeah, so yeah, I'm actually gonna try my hardest to actually break my record, which I highly doubt will happen, because my record's over 1 million. And if you want proof, I'll give it to you right after I die. So yeah. Please leave in the comment section whether or not you want me to continue making videos like this. If not, just, yeah, I don't really care what you do if you don't. Oh my gosh, sorry, I was trying to get that. Yeah, see? It said 1,188,000 something. Yeah, please tell me what I could do to get better by any chance. And leave in the comments section what your high score is. Anyone who has a higher high score, like, post a picture of it. Anyone who has a higher high score than me, I will give a shout out to. So yeah, might as well start playing, and yeah. So yeah, thank you to all my viewers who actually enjoy my videos. If you are a fan of what I'm doing, please let me know, because I want to know how many people actually enjoy this stuff. That was too close. See, I'm only at 40,000. Just FYI, I don't like jetpacks, because one of the times I got one of them, and I missed a mystery box. I was not very happy, and I would have missed it this time. I guarantee you that. So yeah. Yeah, the people on the right are my Facebook friends. And if you were wondering, and yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what I get. Yeah. See, I'm in 4th place. He's doing really good. 2,487,483,647. That is seriously good. Yeah, I'm not doing good. That guy's at 2 billion. That guy's at 5 billion. No, 2 million, 5 million, 2 billion. See, look at all my friends, 27 of them. So yeah, let's see how many. Yeah, I'm probably gonna skip this one because it's really hard to get. Collect 15,000 coins. I have 9,000. No, 10,000 left, so I'll probably skip this one. Because this video will be extremely long, if not. So, I hope you don't mind that. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, let's end this video here. I'll have a part 2 to this video. For when I actually am close to completing it. Okay, so don't wait that long. I'll probably be probably a day or so. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna end this video right after this, after I die, and open that. I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit, so yeah. Okay, so let's end this video here. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.